is vision, the code the eye uses to communicate with the brain. If you're looking at this image of a baby's face, your brain is receiving this pattern of electrical signals. We've known for decades that this code exists, but Dr. Nuremberg is the first to have cracked it.
And I realized that not only was it useful for figuring out, as a stepping stone toward figuring out how the brain works, but it had a huge potential application that we could use this to make a prosthetic device for restoring sight to the blind. Okay, so here's like a sort of simple lab prototype of our device. So it has a camera here, and it's taking images in. It goes into an encoder device, which sends the signals out to this piece of paper. And the signals are in the neural code. So let's say I put my hand here. If the brain were to get this pattern, it would know that somebody's hand was moving like that. So the way it would be implemented in the real world for a patient has two parts. So one part is a device that could be worn like as glasses that would take the images in. It sends the code in the form of light pulses to interact with something that we've injected into the eye. It's a gene called channel rhodopsin. When you shine a spot of light on it, it causes the cell to fire an electrical pulse. So you can picture that you could just pulse it in the pattern of the neural code, and it would send the images up to the brain.